So 3 reasons why you should not open up an adult daycare center in a residential home or a residential setting is number 1, because of accessibility. People are going to use the adult daycare center to care for their loved ones out of convenience. And so it's got to be something that makes sense so that the family caregiver, the individual taking care of their loved one, can easily access that home. So you have to ask yourself, is a residential setting really the right place to be? Is it on a main road through town that's easily accessible? I can just hop off the main road and it's right there. Or am I going deep into a neighborhood that's going to take me 15, 20 minutes out of my way? Number 2 is capacity. In a residential home, you're going to be limited to just the sheer number of people that you could have there during the day. You're going to be limited by the fact that there's only so much room in that setting and there's all of these walls breaking up the space. So how are you going to structure your day? You may not be able to have more than 20 people in that environment, and that could be okay, but you have to ask yourself, what type of business are you trying to start? Are you trying to start a business that will run sufficiently without you, that you can hire a manager and it can be fully staffed and you won't have to be present? Or is this something that you're trying to do where you are everything? You're the manager, you're the caretaker, you're the activities director, you're the marketing person. You have to ask yourself what type of role, because you're going to need at least 30 people to cover the overhead to be at a point where you could walk away and step away as an owner. But just 30 people alone is not going to make you profitable. Number 3 is zoning. You're going to have to reach out to your zoning official and find out what are those limitations. What are those limitations inside of a residential setting? Is it a deed restricted community? What types of restrictions are you going to have when it comes to the number of people that can be there per day? Are you able to transport people in and out? Is there places, a sufficient number of spaces for someone to park to drop their loved one off? There's all these questions you have to ask yourself, and the residential setting is just going to make it a lot more difficult. Not saying it's impossible. I don't want to kill anyone's dreams, but I'm just saying it may not be the best situation to be in. It's really going to depend a lot on the location and if it makes sense or not. If you'd like to learn more about opening up your very own adult daycare center, please visit us at adcpro.com. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.